What other types of heavy applications do you have with your company in security?
Well, those house arrest leg bands, I think that would probably be one of the first ones you say, really, that's the only thing that's keeping that house arrest leg band on is one of our screws. And surely enough, that's one of our application that we have so many applications that we can't even define a customer vertical market. Some of the funniest ones are somebody who's putting up these climbing walls. They wanted our screws because they didn't want somebody undoing one of those climbing units. I guess there would be liability there, I suspect.
Yeah, I would think so. Yeah.
Zip line guys, they put our screws in those. Probably the biggest one that's happening right now is the pipeline in Nigeria is losing $1 billion worth of oil a year. And the regular security fasteners, kind of like the wheel locks, they are easily broken because the guys will come and take a mold of the fastener and figure out what it was. And I mean, if you're losing $1 billion worth of oil a year, you got pretty sophisticated people stealing it. So they came to us as kind of a wild hair and said, "Hey, can you make us a fastener?" And so we are in the process right now of developing what I call a super structural nut for that application. So some of our nuts go to the TVA Authority, Tennessee Valley Authority, any of the electrical grid. It's all crazy people that we would never go and make a sales call on ever, you know. And so we're always kind of flabbergasted where it comes from, and surprised and pleased. But as a result, we kind of have to have a fastener manufacturing machine for just about any size or diameter or length or what. I guess we got them on body cams for policemen, but that happens to be a 256 screw. So we got a security screw that's a 256 in diameter. And somebody has tried to make a wall for the water surges that are happening down in Florida, when they have a hurricane. And they needed a 5/8 11 by 3-inch bolt that had an O-ring underneath it. We just got done making those for them out of 316 stainless. So we have this range that we can kind of have to do everything with everything, and had to get tooling for every size you can imagine and threaders for every size that you can imagine, and kind of an expertise for everything you can imagine.
Yeah, well, that's one of the great things about the fastener industry. It's a product that's in damn near everything, and it's all around us.